first game we're going to play is called Scenes from a Hat, and the hat we've got here is a typical American hat. Everyone wears these over here. And what we've got is got members of the studio to write out little names of scenes, and if all the contestants like to arrange them size on either side, I'm just going to pull out these suggestions, and I just act them through, and I'll buzz when I've got the idea, see how many we can do. If we do enough, we won't have to do any other games this evening, which is unlikely, obviously. So the first one is, you're both stuck in quicksand.
I can't quite read the sign. Pick, pan, quick, pan.
Oh, no, it's a Q.
Oh, quicksand. Oh, quicksand.
Oh. Things you must not do near electricity.
Just watering the sockets.
Okay. The men who created velcro.
I tell you, this is gonna work.
Okay, thank you. Arriving at the wrong place. A reunion for air stewards and stewardesses.
I haven't seen you in ages!
How are you? Good.
Okay, fine.
There you go.
The last woman on Earth. Okay, let's end there. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very good indeed. Right, now. All right, well, I have to score some points for that, and there I've done it.